2 times 2 equals 4. Write 4. Remember 0. 9 times 2 equals 18. Write 8. Remember 1. 8 times 2 equals 16 plus 1 from memory equals 17. Write 7. Remember 1. 1 times 2 equals 2 plus 1 from memory equals 3. Write 3. 2 times 4 equals 8. Write 8. Remember 0. 9 times 4 equals 36. Write 6. Remember 3. 8 times 4 equals 32 plus 3 from memory equals 35. Write 5. Remember 3. 1 times 4 equals 4 plus 3 from memory equals 7. Write 7. Now we sum up these rows. Excellent.